Summertime and the living is easy. Welcome to number 40 Windemere Road, a 21-metre fully insulated entertainment area overlooking lush parkland. Dual access to the separate shed. Three bedrooms plus study. Luxury tiles throughout. Heated, inviting in-ground pool. The home inside is just ready for you to walk in and enjoy, but it comes alive with the outdoor area. From the children's swing, the sparkling ground pool for those hot summer days, a 6 by 9 metre shed. But if they need room to kick a ball, just jump the fence, acres of parkland next door.